Today, we're getting our first real look at the Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. Samsung is making a big change in 2024 by going for a flat design. This means the phones will have flat screens with rounded corners, similar to the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Just as last year around this time, the complete design of Samsung's next Galaxy S series of phones has leaked out. As usual, one of the most trusted and credible leakers out there, Leaks, also known as Steve Hemmerstoffer, is starting with the smallest, cutest member of Samsung's Galaxy S24 family, and we hope they will build up to the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a short time frame. The back of the phone still has 3 cameras, just like the Galaxy S23 from this year. But the front is where things get exciting. The Galaxy S24 will have very slim bezels, even slimmer than the iPhone 15 Pro. It's said to have a 1.5mm bezel compared to the iPhone's 1.7mm. This is great news for those who care about bezel size. We're still waiting to see the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will likely be revealed in the next 48 hours. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated. Finally, let's talk about the screens of the whole Galaxy S24 series. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is bringing really bright displays with 2,500 nits to all the models, and that's pretty exciting. What's more, for the first time, the S24 Plus will have a high-quality Quad HD Plus resolution, just like the Ultra model. In addition to these screen details, we can see that the battery sizes remain the same as last year's models, along with the same fast charging methods for each variant. I'm excited to see how the S24 Ultra will look. It might not have as slim bezels as the S24 or S24 Plus, but we'll know for sure when we see actual design. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.